Ready? This shit crazy. God damn. Oh my gosh. The boy Spanker in that video. Saying? About to go to get a cruise in. It's deep as hell. Show the, you know what I'm saying? Show that shit. Got my boy Ruby on the camera, you know what I'm saying? You can down there go around everything.
Alright, bet.
Cameraman, Ruben!
Yo, this shit's crazy.
You know what I'm saying? It's a regular day. You know what I'm saying? God damn, this shit heavy as fuck. You don't know this cat hat? Show that ass here, boy.
Shit. Give us one, bruh.
No more, no more. You got any Scared2Speed stickers? Hell no, I think
Yo, how are you feeling about today's meet, y'all?
That slow ass fucking V6 Camaro back there, that yellow John.
Oh.
He's finna get gapped by this cat swap.
Cat swap.
Oh yeah, it's supercharged. What are you talking about? Yeah, they still have one here in downtown, but we closed that one. What's up, Bobby?
What's good, bruh? How you been? Yo, how we feeling about today's meet, y'all? Chilling.
Where's your car?
I left it back. I didn't want to drive.
I'm driving for you.
I'm riding with Sway. Yo.
Oh, what is up?
How we feeling about today's meet, Swin?
It's alright.
It's alright. It's alright. It's alright. Yo, how you feeling today, man?
Tired.
Tired. Yo.
Try to get them too, like in the sunroof. Damn, where my phone go? Oh, good there. Say 21 right now. It should start going up. Look at Mikey. Mustang, come get some smoke, Mustang. What did it say now? 30, 31. Mikey. Probably unplug my rear axle or some shit. Oh damn. Oh shit. That was a fucking good pull, I ain't gonna lie. That shit, damn, that shit crazy when I get traction. Bro, like that E85 makes a big difference, bro. What is it at on? 37.3. Oh, you can close it now. You can fit it in the back if you want. That shit loud as fuck. If I was in front of all of them, I'd be fucking going right now. These bikes are so slow going through corners. Mikey can drive that bitch low key. This is literally what I love doing, bro. I love light turns and shit. Let's go slow right here because the DNR office is literally right here. They probably waited for us. But they're not right there actually. You can record some of these like turns too, and you can record yourself too. It don't matter. too. It flips out so you can see your face. Yeah. You ready for this fool? Hopefully people turn. That's the cop. They probably waited for us. I told you. I told you, they be watching us now. The lake is still fucking all the way over here. Holy shit. God damn, it's all the way up here. Go on the other side. Damn. Yeah, turn around. Come right here. This way. Now, I want a park line. I want the other ZL1. This nigga need a park. Hey, tell him park back.
What's that?
Tell him back up. I know.
We're gonna go left without him following. I don't know how the fuck we're gonna go left without him following us.
We're probably not gonna do that shit.
We're not gonna be up there.
No.
No way, no.
Not all of us. I told. Bro, I told people, I'm like, bro, they watch it every time we do a meet. They gonna watch us to come over all the way over here.
So you did see that pulling in?
Huh?
You did see them pulling in?
What, the cop?
Yeah.
They was already there.
We gotcha. I was just making sure.
Yeah.
Bro, I can smell my brake when we pulled in.
Did you?
Yeah, I can smell that.
People can park on this side too.
Nah, dude.
Bro, that fucking car, bro, that was a good ass, like, we was.
Coke stash, bro.
Yeah.
Dude, I felt nice, dude. I was in the middle of two muscle cars. I was like, I'm gonna get eaten to death, bro. But I was keeping up.
That shitty ass car over there got
What? Oh, somebody cut in front of you? We can park over here. Park over here. Yeah.
My shit hot, I know that.
I should have parked over there.
they got your plate?
Huh?
When they got your plate?
I don't give a fuck.
care?
Fuck no.
We could have went over there and just parked back to back.
Well, over there?
Yeah.
It was fucking boats and shit over there. That's why I came back.
Told me to move back so far. For what reason?
What do you mean?
You don't understand, bro. I was shitting myself in between you and Justin.
Yeah.
I was like, oh my god, I hope I don't fuck up. And I'm the slowest one out of everybody.
You was doing good though.
I was cooking. I was the slowest one last time. I brought a 100 horsepower Beamer last time. And I brought my Subaru Spits Flames. Not Super Flames. This is
That's
WRX.
Huh? Bro.
You need to be on the third. Then, you know,
Is he about to burn out already?
no, tell him not to for yeah, there's like literally a cop right at the entrance.
At the entrance, as soon as we pulled in, there's a car.
Bro, I told people they was fucking on our ass. I knew it. Like, to that spot.
Oh.
They know we don't meet on Sundays, so they gonna be watching this area now, bro. But hopefully y'all enjoyed the video. I like the video, subscribe, man. Good look cruise, you know what I'm saying, with the guys, feel me? And catch you on our next one, man.